Hello guys, and welcome into a new point of view driving episode, this time from Comarnic. And you can see how the surroundings, the scenery changes. We don't get such high hills and mountains anymore as we go towards the field area from Ploiești, Câmpina, and of course eventually Bucharest. But it is a really beautiful drive here. Another caravan. When I see that those trees, that hill with that forest over there, I'm already thinking about the capital and the seaside. The traffic is as good as it gets for this area. No complaints whatsoever. In this part we will be just as I got you used to. It will be a short distance, bumper to bumper. And right here, with this occasion, I will show you the bridge, the pass, the underpass that resembles Tuzla. So if you watched my my video from Tuzla to Eforia South, Eforia Sud, you saw there a small section where you go with the car beneath a bridge on which the trains pass, and it looks really close to the part where we will drive right now. And here it is right in front of us. Try to ignore the advertising, the banners, but the passing is basically the same. And if we would have a bridge right here, you will see this part is visible, and yeah, looks really like that. And from now on, the road will be wider, and also I will be able to drive a bit faster, but still in the legal limits. I mean, it's no point for 5 minutes extra to risk it. Plus I have with me a lot of luggage, and I don't want to use the brakes as I did just before. So now we left Comarnic, and from here it will be really a nice drive, a pleasure drive. We need to be careful because in front I think we'll have the police. And right here is a neighborhood, Breaza-Nistoresti, where a lot of drivers get stopped and get fines, because there is a 70-kilometer speed limit. You saw how that guy that passed me drove, and I think he's quite in front. And yeah, there they are. They're still there. Without the LiDAR, without the radar, we can drive a bit faster. Up until 70. I will stay behind this truck until we will not have any more the speed limit. It ends right here. And I will see you maybe when I go around Ploiești, or just a short fast drive on the highway from Ploiești to Bucharest. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best and take care wherever you are. Bye bye guys.